Today we're going to cover subtraction. But remember, with a new math, the important thing is to understand what you're doing, not necessarily to derive the right answer. This is the way we do it now. You can't take 3 from 2, 2 is less than 3, so you look at the 4 in the tens place. Now that's really 4 tens, so you make it 3 tens, regroup, and you change the 10 to 10 ones, and you add them to the 2 and get 12. You take away 3, and that's 9. Is that clear? Now, instead of 4 in the tens place, you've got 3 because you added 1, that is to say 10 to the 2, but you can't take 7 from 3, so you look to the hundreds place. From the 3, you then use 1 to make 10 tens, and you know why 4 plus minus 1 plus 10 is 14 minus 1? Because addition is commutative. Right, so now you've got 13 tens, and you take away 7, and that leaves 5. Well, 6, actually. But it's the idea that's the important thing. Now go back to the hundreds place, and you're left with 2, and you take away 1 from 2, and that leaves... 1! Exactly! Hooray for new math, new math. It won't do you a bit of good to review math. It's so simple, so very simple, that only a child can do it. Are you following this?
Well, at a distance, maybe.
Well, good, because this was actually not the answer I had in mind. You see, the book I got this problem out of wants us to do it in base 8.
So, base what?
Oh, don't panic. Base 8 is just like base 10 if you're missing 2 fingers. Shall we have a go at it?
After you.
You can't take 3 from 2, 2 is less than 3, so you look at the 4 in the 8s place. Now that's really 4 8s, so you make it 3 8s, regroup, and you change the 8 to 8 ones, and you add them to the 2, and you get 1 2 base 8, which is 10 base 10, and you take away 3, and that's 7. Is that clear? Now, instead of 4 in the 8s place, you've got 3 because you added 1, that is to say 8 to the 2, but you can't take 7 from 3, so you look to the 64s.
64s? What the...
Well, 64 is 8 squared.
Ask a silly question.
From the 3, you then use 1 to make 8 8s, and you add those 1s to the 3, and you get 1 3 base 8, or in other words, in base 10 you have 11, and you take away 7, and 7 from 11 is 4. Now go back to the 64s, you're left with 2, and you take away 1 from 2, and that leaves... You got it! Hooray for new math, new math. It won't do you a bit of good to review math. It's so simple, so very simple, that only a child can do it.